Here I am, getting ready to plant seeds for the 2021 spring garden season. And you too could be planting seeds with our free seed giveaway. Only a few days remain. March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, is the last day to postmark your envelopes to get free seeds from this giveaway. And what are we giving away? We're giving away White Wonder tomatoes. We're giving away Rutgers tomatoes, which are actually a determinate variety. We're giving away jalapenos, and we're giving away California Wonder red bell peppers. Now, between these 4 pepper and tomato varieties, you should have a good base to get yourself started gardening if you're just learning about gardening, or some good staples even for experienced gardeners. So again, please send your self-addressed stamped envelope to Free Seed Giveaway, Best Garden Channel, P.O. Box 23442, Overland Park, Kansas 66283. Now, if you want to watch this whole video that I've got rolling below, feel free to do so. We'll be posting it in the next couple days. It's pretty long and probably a little bit boring too. We have better videos, but it's kind of fun too to see how we're planning out all the seeds. Either way, it's an exciting time of year. So get your free seeds and let's grow together.